Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to show photo watermark on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. Well, adding a watermark to a photo can help establish ownership and protect the copyright of the image. It serves as visual indicator that the photo belongs to a specific person or entity. So let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, go ahead and open camera application on your device. Okay, and here you can click on settings icon at the top left corner. So on this page, please select watermark option and activate it by pressing this button. Okay, so here you can customize the text as you want. Well, not only that, you can also activate that watermark and time watermark if you need it to be shown on your picture. Okay, after that, let's check it. Okay, so now you can see that the watermark is successfully added to a picture. Well, that's the tutorial on how to show photo watermark on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.